that I used to be.
Thanks to Calvary,
Things are different than before. While the tears ran down my face, I tried to tell him,
thanks to Calvary,
I don't come here anymore. Then we went back to the house where we used to live. My little boy ran and hid behind the door. And I said, son, little boy, don't be afraid, 'cause you got a brand new daddy now. Thanks to Calvary.
thanks to Calvary,
We don't live here anymore.
thanks to Calvary,
I am not the dad that I used to be.
thanks to Calvary,
Things are different